Hi, GB.
Hello guys, I got really with the white.
You've got brand new. So, guys, GB decided to make a vlog for himself, and then
Where's
middle
the
of the
pipe?
vlog, he thought he needs
Where's
mummy.
the pipe?
Where's the pipe? Which pipe? So I'm here to
The
rescue
black
GB.
one, the black.
So today is a play day for GB because the weather's good.
I can
So
find
he's in
it.
garden. GB, what are we doing here?
I do that. It's loud. It's fine.
GB just had breakfast and he's in his PJs playing with his Henrys. What's wrong with you, Henry? Why does it sound different sound?
No, do you know that? What? Let me show you the dust. Let me show you the bag. It's got switch in it. Because I need to change it the hoover.
It's a
I'll open it.
doubles.
No, it doesn't need. You put.
Uh-oh, what happened?
It's fine. I can fix it. Or you can do like this. Hold on.
No, I think it's the other way around.
Oh, that is good. Look, it's good. It's good. Inner dropping like that. Inner dropping. And let's get on and. It's too hot. Feel it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Why is that? Uh-oh. Did you just turn it off?
Yeah, because the pipe is not good. So, and that tool is pink one. And that tool is pink one, and I use that for.
You use this for what?
You use that.
Oh, wow.
You put the tools.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not like that. You put it like that. So you cover it. Look at the floor.
No, no, no. We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, you can slip it like that. The pipe is walking. The pipe is food. No, give me. Hey! Let's take it off. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's too heavy. Do this. Oh, let's put that in. Yeah. Let's put the wire. But to do that, the dust in the pipe couldn't go in the bags.
Oh, so the dust goes through the pipe inside the bag.
No,
Hmm?
the dust not go in it, and it's grow.
So which one do you like? You like the red one? You like yellow one, pink one, or green one?
No, cause that
Blue one.
dust,
Which color is your favorite in Henry's?
the hat, the white. I like love all Henry.
Oh, do you like the so GB said he loves
Look,
he loves all the
cushion is
Henrys.
broken.
Mm-hmm.
The cushion is broken.
Now, which one is your favorite? The red one? Which color is your favorite in Henry's?
1, 2, 5, 6.
Which one? Red one, blue one, yellow?
Hattie.
You like Hetty?
Yeah.
I thought you like Henry. Henry sad. You don't like Henry.
I do like him.
You do?
Yeah.
I like yellow one. Yellow is my favorite. Yellow is very cute.
What about your Hattie one?
Hetty's okay too, but I like yellow one more. I don't know why. Probably yellow is my favorite color. One of my favorite color.
Yellow one for the wire. What's this?
Wire.
Who buy this for that wire?
Your daddy bought you this. So guys, GB is getting soon a very big surprise
I will buy this for me.
by his dad very soon, and we will showing you guys. We will share it with you. GB will actually share it with you.
Let's turn
The surprise he's gonna get soon.
Tool.
GB has planned a very big thing for his birthday also. A huge surprise is planned by mommy and daddy for him. And GB doesn't know nothing. We will share that with you guys soon. So loads of surprises
Why tell me bye-bye?
have been planned for GB by mommy and daddy. Yes.
Look, that is sticky.
Where's your Super Henry, GB?
Super Henry is going in the toilet. Because Mama look in the door.
Oh, is Super Henry's inside? So you got this from your Henry room.
Yeah. That is sticky.
This is sticky because you made it sticky.
No, Pastor make it sticky.
Oh, this is the bag.
Yeah.
Is it full?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I got this in the garage. We got a brand new one in the garage.
Oh, you've got a brand new one in the garage.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
brand new. Put that. I could that soup that has Super Henry's in gonna come put that in. Let's go more movies. Bye. See you soon.
See you soon.